Hi, I'm Liam the plumber, and today I'm going to show you how to fit one of these, a Turbo Edge Quantum, into a toilet cistern. So first, remove your cistern lid, disconnect the old push button, and then put the old cistern lid to one side. You'll need that later on. Then, with the water turned off to your cistern, remove the cistern from your pan, and then flip upside down. Remove the old donut washer underneath, etc. Unscrew and remove the old flush valve. And then with your new Turbo Edge Quantum, remove the back nut and then install into your cistern. However, you don't need any silicone or any paste on that washer. That washer creates a perfectly adequate seal on the inside of that cistern on its own. Install into your cistern and then refit the new back nut. And then tighten up, but don't over tighten. Before you put back onto the pan, just refit a new donut washer there. And fit the cistern back on to your pan. This is the perfect opportunity before you go filling it up to set the water level ready inside your cistern. So on the Turbo Edge Quantum and the Turbo Edge, they all have this same yellow captive pin. On it is a water indicator mark. The water level inside that cistern must match up to that mark on that yellow pin. With the water back on and the cistern tested and it filled up to the correct water level, you can now fit your new button onto your cistern lid. So remove your old button and then refit your new one. So with your new button installed into your lid, you can now, if you need to, adjust the height and set the depth of your button just by unscrewing there. You can also adjust the height of your Turbo Edge Quantum by undoing the yellow pin here and then raising the Turbo Edge Quantum up and down. You'll need to do this depending on the height from your cistern down onto the top of your siphon. With the height correctly set, simply put the cistern lid on top of the cistern and then flush away. And that's how you install a Turbo Edge Quantum into a push button toilet cistern. Prevent leaks, save water, ask for one of these at your local merchants.